Okay, we're coming up in the town of Dickens, Texas. And we're still on US 82. Cook Cafe. Old barbecue joint. I think the sign on that's awesome. It's 63 degrees outside. You can see the flags moving. We got a little breeze blowing. The old building to the right. Another old gas station. Another old gas station. A couple old buildings to the right or left. That's the courthouse right there. Old buildings to the left. Pretty neat. Wasn't much to it, but there was something to it. All up here a little bit further, be out of town. Pretty good view as far as you can see. So get these red hills up here so you can see them. There might be some gully ways running through. Yep, there is. Like where the water washes through when it rains real hard. It washes itself through the valleys here and eats the soil away. See it down there. Here it comes again. Now you'll be able to see it. Some good views of it right there. I hope y'all got to see it. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here. Let's go see what else we can find.